Welcome back to the kitchen, you lot. If you're here, it means you're ready to take charge of your meals, your health, and maybe even your confidence in the kitchen. And let me tell you, you're in the right place. This isn't just any kitchen. This is Sophorth's kitchen, where we keep things real, simple, and downright delicious. Today, we're not messing about with fancy foams or Michelin star nonsense. Nope, we're stripping it all back to the basics. Because let's face it, not everyone has the time, the tools, or the patience for all that. What we do have is a desire to eat better, feel better, and maybe even look better while we're at it. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're getting down to basics with a bloody brilliant 7-day fat loss meal plan, specifically designed for beginners. This isn't about starving yourself or eating bland, boring food. It's about creating meals that are nutritious, satisfying, and easy to prepare. Think of it as your roadmap to healthier eating, one step at a time. Listen, I've seen enough disasters in the kitchen to last a lifetime, and let me tell you, most of them stem from overcomplicating things. This meal plan, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about learning to enjoy the process, even when things don't go exactly as planned. Because let's be honest, we've all burnt a pancake or two, right? It's simple, it's effective, and most importantly, it's easy to follow, even if you've never boiled an egg in your life. We'll walk you through every step, from choosing the right ingredients to putting it all together in a way that works for you. No stress, no fuss, just good food and good vibes. So put down the takeaways, stop making excuses, and let's get this show on the road. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or just trying to prove to yourself that you can do it, this is your moment. Let's dive in, have some fun, and make some magic in the kitchen. Ready? Let's go! All right, you Muppets, day one. We're kicking things off with a bang, and that means starting your day with a proper breakfast. None of that sugary cereal nonsense or skipping meals altogether. No, we're talking about fueling your body with the good stuff. And we're starting strong with a high-protein breakfast. Why protein, you ask? Because it's the building block of life, the secret weapon for energy, and the key to keeping those hunger pangs at bay. We're talking scrambled eggs, cooked properly, not that watery mess you call scrambled. Fluffy, golden, and seasoned just right. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. And let's not forget the spinach. This leafy green isn't just a sidekick, it's a hero in its own right. Loaded with iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, it pairs perfectly with those eggs to give you a nutrient-packed start to your day. Protein is crucial, you hear me? It's not just for bodybuilders or athletes. It's for anyone who wants to feel strong, stay focused, and keep their body running like a well-oiled machine. It keeps you feeling full and energized, so you're not reaching for snacks an hour later. Plus, it gives you the stamina to tackle whatever the day throws at you, and it helps build lean muscle mass. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just trying to keep up with life, protein is your best mate. And don't even think about skipping breakfast. Seriously, it's not an option. Your body needs fuel to function, and breakfast is where it all begins. It's the most important meal of the bloody day, setting the tone for the rest of the week. So grab those eggs, sauté that spinach, and dig in. Your body will thank you for it. Day 2, and we're keeping the momentum going with a grilled chicken salad. Now, when I say grilled chicken, I mean seasoned and cooked to perfection, not dry and rubbery like you've overcooked it. We're pairing this with a mountain of mixed greens. Fiber, you see, is your best mate when it comes to fat loss. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those cravings that send you running for the biscuit tin. Day 3, and we're having a bloody delicious bowl of oatmeal with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Don't even think about reaching for those instant sugary packets. We're talking proper steel-cut oats, cooked low and slow for a creamy, satisfying breakfast. Oats are complex carbs, providing sustained energy throughout the morning. And don't forget the berries, packed with antioxidants to help your body recover after a workout. Day 4, and we're diving into a piece of perfectly baked salmon. Not that overcooked dry disaster, but flaky, juicy salmon bursting with flavor. We're serving it alongside steamed broccoli and a portion of quinoa. Salmon is loaded with healthy fats, which are essential for fat loss, believe it or not. They help regulate your hormones and keep you feeling satisfied. Day 5, and it's time for a delicious turkey and avocado wrap. We're talking lean protein from the turkey, healthy fats from the avocado, all wrapped up in a whole wheat tortilla. And hey, don't even think about reaching for a bag of crisps on the side. Nope, we're having carrot sticks. This meal is all about balance, giving you the energy you need to power through the day. Day 6, and we're going plant-based with a stir-fried tofu dish. Now, before you turn your noses up, let me tell you, tofu can be bloody delicious if you know how to cook it properly. We're stir-frying it with a rainbow of mixed vegetables and serving it with a side of brown rice. Tofu is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, and it's low in calories and fat. Trust me, it's worth a try. Day 7, and we're finishing strong with a light and flavorful meal of grilled shrimp with zucchini noodles and pesto. Oh, and don't even think about using that store-bought pesto. It's full of preservatives and, well, crap. Make your own with fresh basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic, olive oil, and just a pinch of salt. This meal is a celebration of fresh, healthy ingredients, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Seriously, it's so good. There you have it, you lot. You've just unlocked the secrets to a healthier, happier you. This isn't just about food. It's about taking control of your life, one meal at a time. A simple, effective, and delicious 7-day fat loss meal plan that even a donkey could follow. But remember, it's not just about following a plan, it's about making it your own. Add your favorite spices, experiment with new ingredients, and make it something you look forward to every day. Now, I want you to get in the kitchen, give it a go, and show me what you're made of. Cooking isn't just a chore, it's an art, a way to express yourself, and a chance to create something truly special. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. And hey, don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces in the comments below. I want to see your creativity shine. Whether it's a perfectly plated dish or a hilarious kitchen mishap, every step of the journey is worth celebrating. While you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ding that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future recipes. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about being perfect every day. It's about showing up, trying your best, and building habits that last a lifetime. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Pair your meals with regular exercise, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep. It's all connected, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Now, get out of my kitchen and go cook something delicious. Remember, the kitchen is your playground, and the possibilities are endless. So grab that spatula, turn up the music, and have fun with it. You've got this.